What's up, my fellow Terrans? Today, let's look at some stuff that's moving up instead of down. How's that? It was pretty bloody everywhere. There was some pretty big losses. There's some pretty good bounces coming. It looks like some of the stuff's already starting to make a little bit of a recovery. Let's see if that holds. Not making any predictions just yet. So let's talk about Terra Luna. We can see right here today's gainers. We saw Leo, Luna, Sol. The graph, man, look at that. It's bouncing back good. I knew it would. Civic, I think, is going to be one that's going to do that good bounce, but we'll get to that later. Terra Luna price, $7.54, $3.2 billion market cap, $645 million in the last 24 hours, and 424 million Luna out and about. Coin market cap comes up with about the same numbers. They got 3.1 in market cap and 7.24 in fully diluted market cap. You can see right here over the last 3 months, we've made some really good growth, and we're starting to see maybe a little bit of a bull flag or something kind of forming. We'll see how that turns out. Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat pegged stablecoins to power price stable global payment systems. They combine the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies with the censorship resistance of Bitcoin, and offers fast and affordable settlements. They were founded in 2018. And these ticket monsters, Korean, A5 or whatever. So there's your founders if you want to read into that. Terra seeks to set itself apart through the fiat-pegged stable currency. And they're actually, I saw that announcing Terra USD, so it's called UST, an interchain stablecoin. I'll put this article below if you want to check that out. But I'm not going to go too crazy. Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, MXC. Programmable for the internet. We can see this is the most attractive to hold. Anchor Protocol allows Terra stablecoin deposits to earn stable yield powered by block rewards and leading proof of stake. Here's Anchor. It is the reference interest rate across the universe of blockchains. Reliable savings protocol. DeFi has yet to produce reliable savings protocol as, yeah, I see it's volatile. This shows the volatility of Ethereum right there. We see some Polkadot, Solana, Cosmos, Terra Luna, some videos. So, born out of the best that POS has to offer. And that's proof of stake, by the way. Not a piece of shit. But yeah, Terra, Polkadot, Cosmos, Solana. Check these out. I think that there's a lot of room to grow in all of these projects. I talk about Polkadot quite a bit. I talk about Solana quite a bit. I don't talk about Cosmos quite as much. So I'm trying to get the Terra and Cosmos in now to give you a little bit of a rounded picture here. Let's go back to the Terra Luna next on there. And the easiest to spend, Terra stablecoins. We talked a little bit about that. And this Chai, it's all in this article. It's at the end here. The link is below. If you want to check more on this stuff, it's in that article. Mirror Protocol allows the creation of fungible assets, synthetics that track the price of real-world assets. Mirror synthetics are intended to be used as key building blocks in smart contracts. Here is Mirror Protocol. It's 577 MIR. And you can see they have a $216 million market cap. It's fully diluted is $2.1 billion. Right? That's $1 billion. And then 15 million in the last 24 hours. There's 370 million, but only 37 and a half, let's call that, in circulation. You see this one's been growing a little bit. And it's been around, if we hit all, we're looking last year, December timeframe. Here's Mirror Protocol, assets reflected on the blockchain. Mirror Protocol allows the creation, we talked about that, to mint their target price burning. Here's Mirror Wallet, TerraSwap, Mirror Web App, and MeEth. Man, you got to work on your... yeah, let's get some meth, dude. So, MeEth. I'm not sure if that translates to whoever wrote that, but you might want to look into changing that one. Powered by Terra, available on the Interchain. Mirror smart contracts are built on Terra and CosmWasm. CosmWasm builds your robust, decentralized apps on secure, multi-chain smart contracts. You can see built on Cosmos SDK, Tendermint, programmed in Rust. Here are the key features. Tight integration with... I'm not going to read them. If you want to read them, go ahead. And then here's more about how CosmWasm works. Who is using this? We can see Terra Luna. We can see Regen Network. OK Chain. Yeah, so there you go. Tendermint, building the most powerful tools for distributed networks. Tendermint, a core contributor to the Cosmos network. So they have their BFT consensus, blockchain framework, interchain standard. Here are the applications built with Cosmos and Tendermint. You can see that the Binance DEX, Oasis Labs, Terra Luna, IrisNet, and the Regen Network are all on that list. If we go back to Terra Luna and we come down, Terra Luna supports smart contracts enabled by CosmWasm technology. We talked about that just shortly ago. And now it's live on Ethereum and Solana, and coming to more networks soon. And then here's more if you want to do the white paper and some articles. So here's Solana. Solana we're bullish on too. I think Solana has a really good chance of maybe getting listed on Coinbase. I don't know. They are on the Coinbase custody list. They've been looked at for a minute. They've been around and they're really starting to grow. 4.1 billion with a B in market cap. Total diluted is 7.9 billion, 900 million in the last 24 hours. There are 261, maybe 262-ish in circulation of the 488 million. That's about 54%. You can see we're getting a pretty good, like a J curve kind of going on. Overall, they've been around since April of last year-ish. Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology's permissionless nature to provide decentralized financial solutions. And they have a proof of history and proof of stake, if you want to check that out. Scalable blockchain, build crypto apps that scale. Solana is fast, secure, and censorship resistant. The fees are stupid small, and they're really fast. It's like 50,000 transactions per second. You can see here's their break Solana. We see Serum, Terra, Luna. We also see Radium. We just talked about Radium. We talked about Serum. And we talked about Solana in a recent video if you want to check those out. We see the graph is here. We're bullish on the graph. Scalable, low-cost, composable. Solana's single global state ensures composability between projects. Never deal with multiple shards or layer 2 systems. So there you go. And the community, some links, some docs, and so on. We talked about the stablecoin. So what do you think? Solana. I like Solana. I think it's got a lot of potential. I think Terra Luna has some good potential. Really digging the graph, not going to lie. And a few others. So, with that being said, we're always digging for gems. We like to knock the dirt off, give you guys some stuff to put in your research pile for you to kind of, make your own choices, do your own research. Always do your own research. It's your money. It should be your research. It's your decision, ultimately, right? I'm not your financial advisor. I don't want to be your financial advisor, but I'll be your friend, I'll help you. I'll show you what I find, man. I'll kick you down some info if I see that it looks cool. And, maybe I'll give you a heads up if I see the bad stuff too, Or not maybe, I will. If I see something that looks shady, I'll hook you guys up. All right, then. Cheers. We'll see you next time.